Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last video I will show you how to make attendance, means student attendance. Suppose you can go student attendance, after you need to go student attendance. So we have made like classes, here showing all the classes, after we are showing the like attendance date. So whatever date there inside attendance, suppose I need to go like a SS1 and which I can choose the like any dates like 19th. And I click on the search, so you can see it like a for this class like a class SS1 against what's the total data there inside student. So as I go to students, so you can see it here like a SS1, so you can see it like three students there inside a SS1. So here showing the three students, and also we choose the attendance date. So we need to make okay for this date, for this student present, late, absent or half day. So we need to do like this. So in this video we can continue same part student attendance. Last video I will show you how to make a HTML and how to make a layout show. So in this video we need to store inside all thing database. Suppose I can choose the dates. So for this date and for this class and for this student we need to go into inside a lates. And suppose this student we can show like half day, so it's going to half day. Suppose this student I can show like a present, so this student is going to presents. So let's open the database and we can create a first one database table. And also you can open your code and you can open your terminal, so we can write the commands for the creating models. So let's make some zoom outs because so you can see it clearly. So first of all we need to create a tables. Let's take some time take, and you can see like a database opens. Let's go to schools.com. My database name is schools.com. So now we need to create a new table like a student attendance. So just click on the new. Here you can type like student attendance. First we need to add a like more column, means IDs. So first one we need to make IDs is a auto increments. Second one we need to do like a class ID. Third one we can make like attendance date. I just copy because so we can do it quickly. Next one we can make like a student ID, and last one we can like a attendance. So attendance type, so we can make attendance type. Okay, and everything is good. Now we need to add a two column, and we can make created by, who is created by. So suppose future do you want to show inside report, so we can show it. And now we can make another two column, created at and updated at. So let's make a change. This is a null, this is the also null, which we can choose here like dates, because we are showing here date, storing inside data date wise. This is the integer, no issue. So null. Attendance type also we can make a null, because we can like this make this is the 1, 2, 3 or 4. So we can make like this. Okay, attendance type. So we can type inside comment. 1 means is a present, sorry, second one means late, 2 means late. So we know future support, anybody can see like why we need to using. So everybody no, 3 means is a absence, and fourth means a half day. Just copy and paste here. Okay, now created by also integers, and this is nulls, and also this one null, and just you can change like date and time. So just go down and you can find and change date and time. Where is the date and time? Here there, date and times. Also where is the there, date and times. Okay, so just save now. So this table successfully created. So just go to student attendance and just copy, and we need to create a new model like a student attendance model. So simple, you need to open your terminal. I already opened my terminal. PHP artisan make model. What model you need to create? A student attendance model. Just copy and paste here and press the enter. So taking few seconds after model successfully created. So just wait few seconds. Okay, you can see it like model successfully created. Also you can see it here. Let's make some zoom out. Just go to any controller sorry, any models, and just copy this name of the tables and here paste, and after you can change the table name, so we know okay this is the table for this model. So just go back again and I copy now and I paste here. Okay, so model successfully created. Also we are assigned the tables. So now we need to call the AJAX and we need to find this data like what is the types, what is the student ID, and also we need to put a like a class and attendance dates. Suppose I can change, so we need to get all the data inside AJAX, and AJAX first we need to save inside database. After we can refresh the page, so auto selection we can made. So let's open the code like resources, inside views, inside admin, and inside we have created like attendance folders. Inside you can see like student.blade.php. Last video I will show you everything, so please follow this series and you can see it last video so you can easily understand. So just go to http inside controller, inside you can see it like attendance controller. We have get data, how to get data, how to get a class data, and how to get a student data. I already show you inside last video. Okay, so I just save. Now again I open and I also have save. So here we need to call the our AJAX. So what we need to do, first of all we need to provide a type. So we have already provided type like is the ID, means this is the ID is equal to 1, otherwise value is equal to 1, because we have already put inside a admin table, means sorry database table inside 2 and 3, and last one we have made a 4. Okay, so it's done. Otherwise you can make like look like need to do, so same like this you can do it like this, so look like proper. Let's make so we can understand. Okay, here we have did, and also we can make here. Okay, so you can see it like a 1 2 3. Let's make a fourth one same as we did like this, so here fourth. Okay, so now we need to create a one common class so we can understand what data I can get, and we here we can pass like ID, student ID, so we can get a student ID also. So I just copy every paste. Okay, now goods. So let's create a one class like a class save attendance. I just copy and I paste. Please carefully check, means carefully see the video, otherwise you can't understand what I am doing. So just what I did, first of all I provide a value because we have already passed inside a database like a type. You can see it like 1 means present, 2 means late, 3 means absent, and 4th means half day. So you can see it like value 1 2 3 4. And also I create one common class, so I can anything can change, so we can get the data about this value. And also we need to pass here like a student ID. This reason we have stored student ID inside a ID. Okay, now we need to put here like data exam, sorry data class, so we know okay which is the, otherwise you don't want to do like this. So just go up and we can provide here two ID, like ID means get class, just put like this ID here, and also attendance inside you need to put like a ID get attendance, sorry yes get attendance date. Okay, so every data we can get once you can change the like radio like this, so we need to use this change event and we need to store all the data inside database. Let me show you one by one. Just you can go here and you need to open the like examination. Inside you need to go to mark register. Inside we have already created some AJAX, so just I copy all the AJAX, okay, and I paste here. So one AJAX data I can get, but we don't want to need some parts, so just removing, and also this part we need to no need, and also I can remove the like whatever they are inside URL, because we need to create a own URL. And here is a we don't need, let me is need, so it's good for you and good for me, so we can see the message. Okay, successfully saved. So here we have did like a save attendance class, so just change to here save attendance. We need to use here change event. Suppose you are changing like one place to another place, like you can see half day to go to absent, after you go to late. So we need to use here like a change event, change. Okay, and after we need to go student id dollar this dollar attribute dot id means student id, so no issue. After we need to like need attendance type whatever there inside database, so just we can choose this one and put here, so we can get attendance type. So what is the type, how to we can type, so inside values just you can change dollar this dot well, and we need to remove the id inside, so we can get attendance type. I can show you inside console.log inside, and also we don't need, so just removing now. Now we can get a like student id also get, and attendance type also gets. So now we need to get a class id and absence dates, so just we need to create another two variable, class id, so dollar is equal to dollar this, not dollar this, because we have already created one class id, so just we can use like get class dollar means hash, because we need to use a id, so always we can type like hash. Suppose we need to use a class, so you always need to type like a dot, so we are using here the id. Welcome. I can create a one series for the jQuery and AJAX, so you can, I can explain every events, so don't worry about that. Right now you can follow this video, and same thing we can make like is attendance dates. So just go to database and we can copy this name and we can put here, so get the data. Okay, so we are getting the data about id, we are getting the data about value, and also we get the class id and attendance dates. So just we need to pass inside a data, so student id, attendance type to attendance type, class id to class id, and last one we can pass like a attendance date to attendance dates. Let's remove this one, not remove, just make it comment. Whatever data success response gets, so we need to show here this region. Now we need to create one url means routes, so our routes like this, attend admin attendance student save, so attendance save. Okay, so just go to routes inside web.php, and just you need to create a new routes here like a, also you need to change this method get to post. You can see it here like a student.blade.php, inside we have type like a post dot type is equal to post, so we need to change here like a post method, and also we have pass here like token, you can see it now crf token. So for crf field you are using, so input field you can found, but just you can use a crf token, so you just found the tokens. Okay, I will show you how we can pass the data. Just we can change to like a save, and we need to remove, and also we can make attendance student submit, and we need to create a new function inside a attendance controller. So just go and just create a new function here, make a request dollar request, and we can type like a dd all, so we can understand what data I can get here. So just go back again, refresh the page, and I will open my spec element using F12, otherwise you need to open, so just click on the right click and inspect. Okay, whatever browser using is a different way works, so you can check your end. Just I can change like a late, so you can see it one AJAX calling, like you can see it like a dollar this undefined. Okay, this is the another error, it's not worry about this error, like is a library error like other part error. So just clear, I click change the here, so you can see data calling, and after you can see it like you can get a data here. So first of all we can get a student id like a 13, so you can see it attendance type is equal to 4 because we have used the half day. After you can see class id, so class id means ss1 is like a 1, and attendance date whatever shoes like 2023 05 and 19, so it's going to attendance dates because we have made here dd. Okay, so working very well. So this data we need to save inside a database, so let's copy this model name and we can declare here and save. So just we can make like a dollar save, otherwise we can make like dollar attendance is equal to new is equal to like this. Just we can pass all the parameter here, like student id to student id is equal to dollar request student id. Same thing we can pass here, like attendance type to attendance type, class id to class id, and attendance date to attendance date. And we also need to pass like a created by, so just you can declare here like a auth. So just you can change to created by, so we need to whatever user login, so this id need to go inside this reason I can make like auth users and id. So just change to this capital, so it look like better this reason, otherwise small also work. And here you just save like not capital, small, save. Okay, so json success, other message, whatever do you want to write, record successfully saved, like attendance successfully saved, whatever do you want to, like you can make it. And here you can make like echo json encode, so we can whatever data there we can print inside a encode dollar json. Okay, so I think it's good now. And this message we need to show, so just you can make uncomment because we have already passed data inside a message. So this is the message, you can see it, like we need to print here whatever words you can write here, just we can write here these words. Okay, so now it's clear. So just go back again, refresh the page, and we can try now. So just change this with let's, so you can see attendance successfully saved. Also you can see it like a data is there, like a class id there, attendance date there, student id there, and attendance type there, because we are choosing like here late this reason. Suppose I can make like a half, so you can see it second entry, but this is the wrong. Same date is only going to one entry. So first of all we need to check inside database. Okay, already there here data there, okay, is there for the class id, attendance date, and student id against. So we just need to update like a attendance type. So let's go back again and create a new function. First we need to check, so just you can make like a here attendance dollar check attendance is equal to student attendance model check already attendance. So just copy and paste here, and we need to pass three parameters. One is student id, attendance class id, and attendance date. And also we need to pass here attendance date. Okay, so let's go to student attendance model, and inside we need to create a new function like static attendance, means check already attendance, and we have passed like three parameters. So just go copy and paste here, so we can, after we need to remove the dollar request, just remove the dollar request and just put here dollar. So we have passed like three parameter. Now we need to make here query return self. Self means that this is the class name, okay, where student id is equal to student id, same thing like attendance date and class id. And also last one we can type first, so only one record we can pass. So class id to class id, and attendance date to attendance dates. Okay, so what I did here, first we make self means the class name. Let's make this is the model name, so we don't want to confuse, otherwise some people confusing why you are using here self. So model name, after where student id, class id is a class id, and attendance date is equal to attendance date. So whatever matching found, we can get a single record, and whatever record we can get, so we can make here dd. So I can show you. Okay, so just go to back and put here dd. I save these files. I just already open the spec element. I can change to let's. So you can see it here, you can get the data, syntax error, line number, where is the syntax error? Okay, because we are not pass here semicolon, these reasons. Okay, now close, and again we can change like half day. So you can see we can get the data, you see. So this idea again we just need to update, we don't want to add new records. So that's simple. If is not empty, so going to inside, otherwise else part, going same parts, otherwise we just need to copy and paste here. And also just you need to cut and paste outside, because this is the we need to insert time need to use, and update time also need to use. So just you can put here, and attendance is equal to check attendance, because we are getting the data, all the data here. Otherwise we need to type like get attendance, whatever do you want to write for this variable, so you can use it. Okay, so now it's clear. Now we need to clear the our tables, and we need to test working not working. So just go back again, refresh the page, and I can change like a present. So attendance successfully saved, so you can see it like right now. Okay, suppose I can choose same student. Okay, oh I press wrong, so I just is like a half day is there, so it's saved, and I go. So just here is the updating attendance tab, not adding new entry, you can see it. Same thing, suppose I can go to second student like present, and you can see it now, you see one tab. And so same thing here, half day, whatever do you want to make, like late, whatever do you want to, like you can make it. So you can see it's 3 entry there, after you can change for these dates. So working very well, no issue. Okay, so now we need to do, let's close this is the spec elements. Now we need to do, suppose I can choose here like half day, absence, late, like here I can change to present. So whatever data here selected, this data we need to show directly. Autofill means I can refresh, so because this data already there in a database, like class id, after attendance dates, and student id, against whatever data there inside database, so we need to show autofill. So simple way we need to do it, like just go to student.blade.php, here just need to start $php and php. Okay, just we need to call like get attendance. I create a new variable get attendance, and inside value get attendance, means this is the for a user table. So we need to go inside user table, we need to create a new function, because this is the data is we are getting inside a user table. So I can show you, you can see it like users, you see. So user table inside we just make a new function like a static function get attendance, and here we need to pass 3 parameters like a student id, also we need to pass like here same parameter we are passing like this. So student id, also we need to pass like class id and attendance dates. So just you can type id to student id, second one is like class id, just copy and paste here. Also we need to pass here like a attendance date. So please carefully what I am doing, what I did like user table inside we have created a new function, means a user model inside we have created a new function get attendance, and this is the attendance inside we have passed 3 parameters. First is student id, because we are getting a student id, after is the class id, and last one is the attendance date. Okay, so just go to again user table, means a user model tables, student id, same thing we have passed like a class id and attendance date. So just go back again models and just copy these ones, and I can paste here. Okay, because we have passed here like 3 parameters class id and attendance date, this reason we have passed like class id attendance dates. And here we need to make a return is equal to, not is equal to, same function we need to call, we have already created this function. So just student attendance like a check already attendance, just copy and paste here. So whatever data we can get for this controller inside, means this model inside, so we can pass inside return. The student id we pass, class id and attendance date, and just we can make here semicolon. Okay, so just go back again and we can make like here, let's make a dd, so we can otherwise print r, so you can see it. So refresh, because why is not generating error right now? Because of the data is there inside this region, otherwise data not there to generate the error. So you can carefully check. So we need to make a here condition like this. First of all, we need to create a one variable where, sorry, variable name like attendance type. So just go back again and just you can choose this variable name attendance type is equal to 0, otherwise is equal to blank, whatever do you want to like. If is not empty, like attendance type, so going to inside and whatever value there, so this value we need to provide to attendance type. With this is the table inside, whatever value we can get we need to pass here. So you can see it like this. Here you can see like attendance type is there any place, so you can see it like 2 there, you see. So this is the data we can pass, so it's good. So we need to make like already there data we can find out, just we need to make like here selected value means checked value is equal to 1, so means is checked, otherwise not checked. Same thing we can provide in a other place, so just copy paste works. Here you can put, also you can put here, and also you can put here. Just you can change like 4, here you can change like a 3, and here also you can change like a 2. Okay, so let's go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it auto selection, you see like present there, so present, absent, absent. Just I can select here half day and I refresh the page. So you can see, suppose I can change here date like 20, I refresh, so you can see not there. Suppose I can choose like present, here is a present, and here also present. Okay, I refresh the page now, so you can see it now all is present. Suppose I can choose here absence, so this is the data is going to absence, because here is a date wise working this reason. You can see it like class wise date and student id against attendance type storing inside database. Suppose you can go let date means like 19 again, so whatever data we have choose before, this data auto selection there here. Suppose I can choose here present, so also we can change here, so you can see it. So in this video we will show you how to store data inside database about the attendance. Now how to make like a unique means a single record, but no need to go duplicate. This one also I will show you. So next video I can make like another one student report, so you can see it like a class against this class against what's the student report means this class id group by we can made in. Suppose I can choose here like class different like part time, and I can refresh, so here showing the student different. So just you can change this one, so here you can see it new entry for the like third one is class id 3 and student id 14. What is the attendance type 1 because of the presence, and I refresh now again and I go to part time. Also I can choose same date 19, sorry 19, and I search, so you can see it all automatic showing here present because this is the data inside their database. Also I go to ss1 and I can search, so you can see it like whatever data inside database, this is the value showing. Otherwise you can change, so automatic change work. Okay, so next button we can create like a student attendance report. You click on, so you need to choose the class and attendance date, so whatever data field like so just here showing the attendance like present, so present, here showing the absent, so absent, and here you can showing the late to lates. Whatever class wise you can get the data with pagination, so we can show it like right now is like 100 200 student there. It's impossible one class like 200 300 student there. This is some is like big school, so there I don't know, but I just told you. So we can make a pagination wise we can show it, and also we can make like filtering like a student id wise into search, so student id wise you can search, like a class wise into search, class wise you can search, and student name wise search, so student name wise search. Okay, so I hope do you want to enjoy this video and do you want to like this video, so please like and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.